Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix slow download speed on Telegram. It is actually pretty simple. Just follow these simple steps carefully to avoid mistakes. To open Telegram and tap on settings in the bottom right corner, then go to data and storage. Scroll down and make sure that connection time and proxy settings are set to none. This is very important for improving your download speed. Next, you can enable background download, which allows media to download even when the app is closed. You can also manage automatic media download settings here, choosing whether to download using cellular data or Wi Fi. Another way to improve download speed is to close all other apps running in the background. This ensures that Telegram gets the full bandwidth. Of course, the fastest way is to subscribe to Telegram Premium, which gives you higher speed and other bonus features. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.